for the simple reason that she has no jurisdiction to try me. None whatsoever. I came out of courtesy and respect. She stands recused from my case and cannot try my case. There are things that are happening in this country that a lot of you do not know. It is my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you today. Because the lies are too much. The lies are too much. I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it. Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who's that person? Corruption charges. They sent her to my case so they can release or smoothen the pathway for the husband and the son. They are facing. It doesn't matter if they off it. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to superior court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why, therefore, are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that she is no more. No. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. It depends where you are getting our videos from. From me, from here is good afternoon. Today, I welcome men and women. I welcome good people. I welcome you all, freedom lovers. I welcome everybody, and I welcome people around you. People that like freedom, people who stand for justice, who stand for equity and fairness. I say welcome you all in this very platform, USB Gospel. What we speak here is only nothing but the gospel of truth, the way it is. We don't have to add, we don't have to take away, but we speak things the way it comes up. Please, as you are getting our video, do us a favor. Subscribe to this channel. Share our videos to every other platform. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. As you are doing that, I say may Chukwu Okike Abiama, Kaina Usiana Nenye, may He bless you and bless whatever you are doing in this life to survive as a human being. I say may God bless you anywhere you are. And the people who have subscribed, I say may God bless you. People who are about to subscribe, I say may God bless you as well. So today, we are going to talk about this injustice method about our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This injustice that is going on, that is meted on top of him, that we, the people, don't know what this injustice is all about. Because of we are seeing it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No, it's not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This injustice is meted upon me and you. Because of if you don't talk about injustice meted on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Mazi Simon Ekpa, we have the opportunity right now that Trump, that God is using him in one way or another to focus, to be speaking up about our PM, to be speaking up about our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of this movement. But many of our people are there on social media gossiping, talking different kind of things. You will see the other one then called Ogenkere, photo master. It's like he snap post, he will go like this, it snap picture, go like this, it snap picture, post photo master. You know, instead of we to come together, this one is there. You go to one office before you are coming out, started doing what this file man is doing with Mazen Nandu Bukano. You people have forgotten Tony Nade. Tony Nadi was the same thing. Any office that our leader went to them, the people working with our leader that is releasing information to Tony Nadi will go there. That is when our leader make that broker say, anywhere I go, he come there. Anywhere when I go to Washington, he come to Washington. This is what these people want to turn this struggle to caricature. Forget that somebody is inside prison. What they are telling you, there is no court date, it's indefinite until it's God knows. And the people were outside here and they were happy doing gossiping. Everybody is like gossiping up and down. Leave what they come for. They say they're on social media. That they are, if you ask them now, they say we are fighting for Biafra, we are fighting for our justice. You know? Is it the kind of people that will give you this freedom? I don't think so. That is why we have to fight. Make sure that two of these men, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu or our prime minister, that one of them must be outside for order to be restored, for peace to be restored, for many things to be restored. One of these people need to be outside. We have to start speaking up about them. We have to start fighting because of a lot is happening in Igbo land. A lot is happening. Ọ na-agbanye mmiri. Nwanne a na-ana ndụ ndị be anyị n'iyi, a na-eji ha agwọ abacha. Now governors go, your senators, your political leaders, everybody have their free will now. They are doing as they like. Just do as you like. Nobody is controlling each other now. So root on one side, the Hopus of the man, all of them. Go to Enugu State, go to Ebonyi State. Look at what is happening in Enugu. I will come for that program. Understand? So, with what is happening in social media, you'll be seeing this one. Anywhere Dr. Ngozo Rabuzi, the DPM went to, everybody will come there. But what I want to tell our people, sometimes, on my own understanding and on my own thinking, you understand? You have to give somebody a chance, a little bit, to see, you know? Not everybody now, we leave what we come for, we are not talking something different. This is what your enemy wants. And this is not going to solve the matter. This is not going to solve the issues. You understand? Like, I know there is some people they are not happy. They are not contented with the questions and the answer that she made the other day. Yes. One madam, asking that is on my own interpretation. Don't get me wrong. Why did I say that? Because of ka ugboro one ka ife nga eme gị ga-amụrụ ife. Ọ bụkwa nke ọzọ nke ikpete maazụ sịkwa gị ọkwa nwa ebu na-akọsị gị na ọ bụkwa ofu ugboro na ya chọrọ ka o mee eme na ege mụrụ n'aka ndị o mere eme. Ọ bụghị otu m si na-eme my own interpretation. Maybe that onwere some things that she don't want to be open up, like Anya pass go this kind of things. That is, I don't want to go too much deep there because we are past this kind of things. Our enemy have taken strategies, So I believe, don't get me wrong, this is my own interpretation. I believe that because of some answer that people were getting from that question and answer, if they are not because of like forget olu nwere inu atụrụ n'Igbo asọ onye atụrụ inu kọwara ya na ego jukwere lu nne mere gịnị furu ọkpọrọ n'ọkwa ife m chekwu ife a on that side. So but ife m na-ekwu bụ the people nọ na social media na gossip, they should concentrate. Look at why did I play the voice of our Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? Look at what is happening here. Let's hear now. Because of this is the reason why we have to fight that these two men, one of them must be out. One of them must be out so that we can restore peace and impunity in that land. A lot of things is going up in our land, but many people doesn't know. Listen here. You hear that what our leader was saying inside the court. Okay, let's go here now. You will hear something. Let me start from here. Let me start from this one. Let's start from this one.
Senators saying no, and Akpabio will say yes. He has done it on national television. There's nothing I'm saying that is not true that we have not seen. He doesn't even allow people to debate. People will raise their hands up in opposition. He doesn't listen to them. You cannot have a dangerous man like that, like Akpabio in the National Assembly. What do you mean dangerous? Is that not getting too far, DG? Of course. Anybody that tells you, Akpabio with his own mouth said that anything the president wants, they will do it. How can you have a legislature? Yes. I guess so.
Let me show you something. Please, as you are watching our video, do us a favor and subscribe to this channel. Let me show you what this man was talking about. You heard what he was talking about. Listen now, what Akpabio was doing. Look at that woman. She's a senator. You know, she is a senator. A senator, she's calling Akpabio in the order that she have to say something. Akpabio is busy snap tap bam 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 that his word doesn't need to be listening to. These are the kind of leaders who doesn't have respect for anything. It's only about money. How can you have such handicapped people as people who is leading you? I'm talking about people who like to be doing voting. So this is kind of leaders you want to be voting in powers that full up with corruption, where somebody cannot issue his own opinion, she or her own opinion. It's only what he have decided with his boss is what is only going to be interpreted there. Tomorrow now they will tell you there is election, you go and be doing BVC. You are going to make vote. I say may God have mercy on such a people. Let's hear her here. Let's hear her. See, the so-called senator is stopping. He's not even listening. He doesn't even care. The woman was still existing. Do you know what happened? They're off mic. Listen here. Wait.
To speak upon a matter of privilege suddenly arising, and he shall be prepared to move without notice. A motion declaring that the content of breach of privilege has been suspension immediately.
They have off the mic. That is inside your Senate house, where the highest impunity, where the highest corruption is driving more than airplane. That is your Senate house. Your senators are there, very hefty and corrupt human entities that doesn't want you to speak. It's only what their boss have decided. At the way Tulimbu came in, he told them, all of you have been promoted. Remain in your seat, corruptions. This kind of people. That is what some people is still clapping for, saying that they need one Nigeria with this kind of attitude, with this kind of calibers that is well corrupt, that doesn't respect law. They don't want to listen to any other person except what they have decided to do with you. That is why I'm telling our people we have to rise up and fight for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Mazi Simon Ekpa. Because of if you keep quiet, what is going in Igbo land and Igbo, we have to fight this injustice. We have to speak up. Many people are not speaking up. Let's hear from this our brother here. I will call him our brother because of our leader said it, that when you are doing this, I don't want to listen to this bunch of criminals anymore. when you are doing good, our leader said that what we have to bring that person, we have to still do what? Praise the person, no matter what. Let's hear from him. Because of this is what they have decided about our leader. That is why I want to play it.
maka na ihe Nnamdi Kanu kwuru that day ihe o jiri ọnụ ya kwuo ọ bụ ihe mmadụ supposed ga chee echiche ịghọtago onye nwaanyị a Adam shu ọ ga-anọ n'echiche onwekatago dị alabaga that day ihe ezigbote ụra ọ gị na ọ bụ ihe gọọmenti kpatara ya maka ọ bụrụ na ọ bịa ha that Monday bidokwa okwu a anyị agaghị anụ ihe ndị a anyanwụ agaghịkwa na anụ ya mana ugbu o mepele ụnụ ahụ na ihe Nnamdi Kanu ji si achọ ka nwaanyị akpa ikpe ya ụnụ ahụ na ya amaghị m ihe a ga-ekwu ugbu a so isi na agaghịkwa postpone dị ya okwu until dakin ọwachi oge eru a ga-akpọlite ya a ga-enyefe that matter to another judge meele ihe ha chọrọ n'ikwu meele ihe a na-eme ọkwa ka a na-egbu oge maka na gọọmenti dị ire dị ikpe ikpe a ọ gaghị egburu ha oge inyefe ihe atụ another judge ọ gaghị egburu ha oge maka na a na-ekwu na nwaanyị a nọ n'isi okwu a kemgbe mena ajụsọ ọrụ na nwaanyị a nwụọ taa ọwa okwu a agaghị akọntinu nwe another judge nọ n'Abuja so onye a na-emawa igbu oge ka a na-egbukwa oge ka a na-eche ihe a na-eche
mana barịsta kedu ihe iche ugbu a ndị na-ekwuchiri maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọnụ ndị ọkaiwu ya kedu ihe ọzọ iche ha kwesịrị ime n'oge dị ka nke a ugbu a eyigharị ya bụ ikpe nke a bụrụ na enwere ụbọchị eyiri a ga-abịakwa ụlọ ikpe ọzọ nke a bụ indefinitely dịka ndị oyibo si asụ ya tutu ruo mgbe onye nwenu ga-ama kedu ihe iche ndị a kwesịrị ibu ha kwesịrị ime n'oge dị ka nke a ugbu a eyigharị ya bụ ikpe nke a bụrụ na enwere ụbọchị eyiri a ga-abịakwa ụlọ ikpe ọzọ nke a bụ indefinitely dịka ndị oyibo si asụ ya tutu ruo mgbe onye nwenu ga-ama kedu ihe iche ndị a kwesịrị ime ugbu a
ada Igbo mmiri dọ n'ejuju ọ dọrọ nwa nkịta enwekataghara isi nwa nwoke ma lawa ike ga-agwụ ha maka na Nnamdi Kanu obi esiela ike n'okwu a ihe o mere Monde gosiri na nwa awụ nwa afọ Igbo ọ bụ otu ndị Igbo si eme ihe onye Igbo kwurụla n'eziokwu onye Igbo dazi obi sie ike na ihe ọ na-egwu nwekwa ihe ikwurukwute ya onye m gwatara nwa ụdị ala na-eme ha che na ọ ga-abịa nọrọ ka onye mami ya nwụrụ anwụ onye na-eru uju ya bịa ya nọrọ na kọtụ deghe aka na aba na-ele ha ka mmụmụ mba ọwụ Nnamdi Kanu ihe o mere dade gwara ha na ifat o mine gọọmenti nwere so ị ga-ahụ gọọmenti ga-aga nyochaa anya na ihe mere na Monde si ọ ga-erule mgbe a ga-ahapụ
You people have heard what they said that now they have dumped him for indefinitely until thy kingdom come, until Chukwu abịa. So is that the kind of life? Many people here. You see, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he have done his own part, he have finished all. Let me just tell you the gospel truth here. Whether you like it or you don't like it, that is the real truth. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done it all. He have sacrificed everything sacrificable the way he said it in his broadcast. He have sacrificed, including himself. So now these people, because of this corruption they are talking about, that Peter Inyaku, his husband, who was former governor, have corruption charges, stolen money. Now, Punch newspaper have reported that after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went to that court, they have reported it. They have carried that news out. Now, for you to see how corrupt they are, so they want to use Peter to rob Paul. So they want to use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why? We the followers. Why? Ndị Igbo keep quiet na-akọ ife na-enweghị isi. Ọ bụrụ ife na-enweghị isi ka aka na-akọ na social media. Why? Na-enwe important thing that is going on. The ala Igbo nọ under siege. Ụmụ okorobịa anyị a na-egbu ha every day. A na-egbusisi our young youth. Nwanne unu ife na-eme na ala Igbo n'aka I have videos ma ọ bụ because of restrictions on YouTube. One info video you will start crying. There is a lot of things going on. So how will this order will be restored? Except our Simon Ekpa is out or Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is out. These two people, that is why we have to grab this awareness. We have to start preaching on this awareness. We have to be talking about the release of these two men. This is where the focus of everybody who love freedom, who say that they are here for the honest and the truth, who say that they are really fighting what I am fighting, which is freedom for the people, which is freedom for men and women, that all men and women were created equal before God. That is the kind of freedom I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the freedom that where later you come to this kind of corrupt entity, which our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now is passing in that dungeon, where there is no law, where there is no order, where there is no justice. Is that the kind of life you want to live, brothers and sisters? That is my question. How are you gonna stay in this kind of impunity? And impunity is going on. Our people who say they are followers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, followers of Mazi Simon Ekpa, there are many people are busy gossiping on something that is irrelevant. The other ones, photo master, is the other side carrying photo up and down, disgracing themselves on the social media. Instead of these people hapukene na anyukwu hapukene na ekworo, where in this planet are this kind of nonsense? Ndị Igbo emetụrụ n'ife nke eme ọkwa arụrụ ka emerụ n'ife a Chineke miye. Gịnị dị ife a? Ahapụ ife a na-akọ before ọzọ. Our people, instead of the more waste time now gossip online, gossip about another, your land is going. Remember, in those days, when I talk about Nkunka now, some people, I don't want to go that side. In those days, old colonial, close your eyes, and again for because of this thing that is going on now, that is what they like. They don't want you to concentrate because of enemy is always need opportunity for them to penetrate. The earlier you realize this and the earlier you know this is more better for you, brothers and sisters. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done everything they have to do on this movement. That is what I want you to know. Because of there is nothing more. If you're expecting him to do anything more, no, he have exposed Peter Nyaku with his husband with this corruption, and then now go to Punch newspaper, you will see it then carry it. There is nothing more for you to know that this man have defeated them, that what is holding him there is what he's standing for, which is Biafra. Why don't you want to grab this opportunity that there is somebody like Donald Trump that God is using in one way or another? We start crying, bombarding Finland government and Nigerian government over Trump. We'll be bombarding Trump. All these things are the things where we have to spend our more time than doing nonsense, bringing this one voice, this one say this. These are the people who are looking for freedom. Brothers and sisters, asị m onye mere ndị Igbo ife nke a, asị m ebe onye mere ndị Igbo dịka ife nke a, asị m onye ahụ ya wurukwa na zere mmiri ebe ọbụla ọ nọ. Ndị Igbo abụrụ ụlọ ọnụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is why our leader will come. Ya sị na abụrụ mba na-akpọ ndị Igbo na ọbịa legide this kind of state of people. Ya sị na ife abụ ndị abụrụ ọnụ. I never see before. I never see this kind one before, brothers and sisters. Let me just tell you the truth. Nka gị na mmadụ o nwere ife a na-achụ, arapụ ife a na-achụ, a na-achụ ife ọzọ. Why our leader now, nobody not a na-asị not that the kingdom come except maka onye na-ekpechi chọọchị, ndị na-aga chọọchị, because mụ nwa anaghị aga chọọchị. Ife m na-ekpere bụ Chukwu, ife m na-ekpere bụ Jehova Jireh, onye nke m bi n'eluigwe, nke a na-akpọ ebe ụwa niile na-akpọ isi ala na-enye, nke anyị na-akpọ Chukwu okike abịama. Onye nke ahụ anaghị m aga n'ụlọ akpụkọrọ ọnụ asị gị na a na-akụ aka dị na-eme ife na-atụta. No, because of the truth have to come from your heart. Because of these people ewuru n'ụlọ arụrụ arụ akpọrọ ụlọ church will deceive our people too much without telling them the truth, without using it like money opportunity grabbing. Or they are good. You know, these are the kind of things that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what is he standing there for? That is the common question you have to be asking yourself every day when you wake up. Why will this man is not living this kind of life you are living? Because of one man stand up. He said that no, enough is enough. And you are there gossiping on social media, doing nonsense, taking photo. This one is there. They will be, oh my God! When you look at this, you see Chineke abiko meberende ebere. Chineke mere ha ebere. Why na Mazi Simon Ekpa, our prime minister, nobody is talking about him or talking about onye nokwa na Europe. Nobody is saying what to do. They are no more. Everybody is busy making sure that his position or this other one. I don't know if you people have different agenda. That is no more the agenda that our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is no more the agenda of the prime minister, which is the prime minister is following the agenda of the supreme leader. Is the template that is following, nothing more, nothing less. Because of I'm a good student of our leader. I'm new here on the social media, but I am a good student of our leader. Right from the day he started his evangelism, he started going all over the world. When he come to my state where I'm living, I was there with him. From that day, I saw him with my 2 eyes. I spoke with him. I listened to him. From that day, I have been his follower since 2015. So people have to start doing something, and we have to make sure. But because of the way I'm seeing this, the only person that can restore order and the peace and the impunity is only these two men. Either Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is out or the prime minister is out. You understand? So, because of almost that is the reason why I said this. I support Dr. Ngozi Orabuezel. Let me just say, I support her in whatever she's doing. I support her, but let's give her a chance. That is on my own stand. You understand? I support her. What I support the government. As far as this template we are using is the template, I know that this template has been the template that Mazi Simon Ekpa, the prime minister, led out. Because of this template, Biafra have already, this one they are seeing that happened in Finland on 29. This is just like, let me call it celebration of independent state of the Biafra. Because of it have already declared, because of by those templates that have been putting together, Biafra have already declared before this celebration. This celebration that happens in Finland is for the whole world to know. That is from what I saw, because of I follow Mazi Simon Ekpa during the time of our leader as well. You know, please, as you are getting this video, make sure, do us a favor, subscribe to this channel, share our videos to every other platform. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. As you are doing that, I say may Chukwu Okike Abiama, this God that I worship, this Almighty God, I say may Him bless you and bless you in whatever thing you are doing. Ask me, I go say, because all I can go say, He say.